out sports cars. Oh, hey! Okay, now let's learn the interior parts of the blue sports car. Okay, first things first. Safety first. We have to put on our seat belt. Wow, just like in a normal car, you have to put on your seat belt in a sports car. All right, we have to shut the door. Wow, what an interesting door. Ooh, look at this car. The inside of this car is the color black. Ooh, whoa, what's this in my hand? This is a steering wheel. And can you think of any other vehicles with steering wheels? Yeah, a tractor has a steering wheel. Ooh, a monster truck has a steering wheel. Ooh, even a go-kart has a steering wheel. A backhoe has a steering wheel. And even a ship has a steering wheel. That's funny. Ooh, look at this. This is a navigation system. So then you know where you're going when you're driving the sports car. See these? These are paddle shifters. This is how you shift the car. Now let's learn the exterior parts of the blue sports car. Come on. Ooh, look at this. Wow, a big wheel and tire. It is so big. Look at it. It's like that big. Wow, do you see the blue brake? I heard these cars go so fast. They need a really big brake to slow down the car. Look. Wow. It's such a pretty blue color. Look at it. I love the color blue. Just like my shirt, my hat, and my shoes. Whoa. Ooh, look up here. Ooh, how the car gets all of its power is the engine. Let me pop the hood. Whoa! Look at that! The door just opened up vertically. That is so crazy. Okay, let me pop the hood. All right, now for the engine. Whoop! Huh, wait a second. There's nothing in here. That's funny. Oh, I know. The engine on the sports car is in the back. All right, here we go. Whoa, that is a massive engine. This has a V12. Oh! That is really powerful. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at this. Whoa, this is the exhaust. There's one big exhaust right here. This is where the exhaust goes out from the engine. Whoa, do you see this? This is where you put the gas inside this car. Ooh, and down here, that's where air goes in to cool down the car. That is so cool. Oh, hey, look. There's a baby seat in there. That's silly. Ooh, and last but not least, ooh, headlights. Wow, it looks like there's 2 headlights. 1, 2. Wow! That was awesome learning about sports cars with you. I want to give a special shout out to Sven. Thank you so much, Sven, for making this video possible. He is so cool. Wait, bye-bye. But since we're at the beach, I'm gonna go swimming, okay?